Hello, welcome to the Video of English. My name is Jason, and today I'd like to introduce you to the verb to be have and has, and how we use the subject pronouns with have and has. And after we do that, I have 7 sentences on the board that I'd like you to write down on a piece of paper, or if you like, if you memorize it, that's perfectly fine. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the board. Okay, so here, I, we, you, they, have. So anytime that we use have, we always use I, we, you, and they. Okay? He, she, it, has. And anytime we use has, we always use he, she, and it. Okay? Here are the 7 sentences. Go ahead and write that down on a piece of paper, and I will get back to you in a few minutes. Okay, welcome back. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the sentences. Okay, so for number 1, he a book. Very good. Has. So he has a book. All right, for number 2, they a house. Very good. Have. So they have a house. Okay, and number 3, it food. Very good. Has. It has food. So it referring to an animal. Okay, and then we a truck. Very good. Have. So we have a truck. Okay, and then number 5, she a notebook. Excellent. Has. So she has a notebook. And number 6, I a necklace. Excellent. Have. So I have a necklace. Okay, and then the final one, number 7, you a jacket. Very good. Have. So you have a jacket. Okay, and there you have it. How we use the subject pronouns with have and has. Thank you for joining today, and please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day.